Mike from the Charles Mill Marina. Thanks for joining us today. Behind me you see a 2027 Starcraft EX20R, which is a model that's been completely redesigned for the 2027 boating season. First thing that I really like about this boat, we have the matte black finish, the black rails, and the decal package that we've seen in the past has been eliminated. It creates a really sleek and clean looking aesthetic. As we head onto the boat, we see this new style door. It does makes it a little easier to see through, something easier when you're docking, and it just really makes the boat look really good. Also new to this model year is this new cognac furniture. So it's a very rich brown, it's still very comfortable, very soft, has some grays mixed in. It creates a really cool look on the inside of the boat. Also with this boat, we do see some new features here at the helm. The helm is now darker, it's been completely redesigned and very, very clean here. We do still have our tilt steering, our Humminbird Helix 5 fish finder, depth finder, and Wet Sounds Bluetooth stereo. We also, on this boat, have an elevated helm. It's kind of a nice feature so that the captain can sit just a little bit higher and see well. The captain seats high back, super comfy, and do have a reclining feature as well, so the captain and their first mate can both be really comfortable. Toward the back of the boat, you see the traditional quad lounger layout, seating for 4 more people, a table, and a power bimini top that opens and closes with just the push of a button. With everything we sell at the Charles Mill Marina, our boats come completely water ready. That means we're going to include a safety package, on-water lesson, delivery in the state of Ohio, and a mooring cover. We're also going to handle all of your titling and registration needs in-house and fill that tank of gas up for the first time. If you think this might be the boat for you, you can check us out on our website at www.charlesmillmarina.com, or you can call or text us at 419-368-5951. We'll see you soon.